Hey guys, it's Jessica and welcome back to another video. I look like horse shit right now. I just took a shower because I'm testing out another face mask. It's been a while since we did that on this channel. We're testing something from Lush today. We're gonna test out their jelly face mask, 1000 millihelens. What is a millihelen? Let me look that up. Helen of Troy from the Iliad is widely known as the face that launched 1,000 ships. Thus, 1 millihelen is the amount of beauty needed to launch a single ship. Other derived units such as the negative helen, the power to beach ships, have also been described. That's fucked up. You say, oh, you're a negative Helen. Is that like saying you're ugly? Because I'm definitely a negative Helen right now. That's an interesting name. I feel like Lush puts a lot of thought into their ingredients and all of their products. Apparently they put a lot of thought into their names. I would have never thought to name a product that. I didn't even know that was a word. Very interesting. Apparently this is supposed to give you 1,000 millihelens. I might need like 1,000,000. But anyhow, we're gonna test it out. It is green, kind of green. Like I feel like it kind of almost looks like a green clay mask. Oh, it's moving. It looks like slime, but it also kind of looks like clay, if that makes sense. And I almost want to do like an ASMR video. Let's see what it has in it. Green tea infusion. I love stuff with green tea in it. I just assume, I'm like, oh, green tea, it must be healthy. It says green tea infusion, glycerin, apple juice, tau, lemon oil, neroli oil, Brazilian orange oil, witch hazel, extract, water, blah, 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 blah. The ingredients, I mean, it's Lush, so it's pretty natural. It says jelly face mask, a refreshing blend of green tea and witch hazel, leaves skin looking even and supple. Something I was very confused about was how in the hell do you use this? The lady told me that you take a little bit out. It doesn't feel nice. Just to mush it around in your fingers. So it looks like, kind of looks like baby shit so far. Do you hear that? And then rub it on your skin. I'm trying to get the chunkiness out of it. It smells really good and fresh. Like, I definitely get a whiff of like green tea leaves. It's not like an overwhelming fragrance or anything. It smells very natural and fresh. I don't know if I can get past the chunks. The chunks kind of bother me. I don't know, they're kind of smoothing out though. They kind of like melt when they get warm from your hand and your skin. So I got my face pretty much covered. It's a very sheer mask. It's not very heavy. It's definitely the messiest mask I've ever used. I'm supposed to leave this on for 10 minutes. I don't know if it's supposed to dry. I'm really interested to see what it does after 10 minutes. Set a timer for 10 minutes and I'll be right back. So like looking at this lighting, it's like real patchy. Maybe I just sucked at putting it on, but yeah, it doesn't go on real evenly. I don't know if that's important or not, but we'll see. So I've left it on for a while now, more than 10 minutes, and I wouldn't say it's dry, but it's like settled a little bit. It's less wet and it's just kind of sticky now and it's not coming off on my, well, it came off on my hands a little bit. A big chunk came off. It looks really gross in my eyebrow hairs. That's disgusting. I'm gonna go rinse it off now. I don't know how easily it's gonna come off. We'll see. Hey, I just rinsed it off. It was actually really easy to rinse off. It just kind of got really smooth and like rinsed away real easily. I do feel like my face is a little less red. I mean, my nose is always red. I don't know why. My nose is just always red. So my nose is still kind of red and I have a big ass pimple right here. Like my skin feels really clean. It doesn't feel like a lot of times my skin is kind of irritated after I do a mask, and sometimes it's like, you know, it's kind of red and irritated and feels really dry and kind of sensitive. But my skin actually feels really good right now. It does feel calmed, if that makes sense. Like it just feels very, very comfortable. The mask said it would. It was calming and stuff. So my skin definitely feels good. I think it's gonna feel really good. I haven't put moisturizer on yet. My skin doesn't feel super dry or anything, and I haven't even put moisturizer on yet. So I think it'll feel even better when I do that. Overall, I think it's a fun mask. I don't know if it does shit, but it was fun. It smelled good. My skin does feel, it just feels like really good. It doesn't feel irritated. It doesn't feel like dry or rough or anything. I hope you guys enjoyed that video and I will see you in my next one.